Unleashing Elegance, the story behind putting on the dog. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression in the English language, putting on the dog. This phrase might tickle your curiosity, especially if you're keen on understanding the colorful idioms that enrich English. So, let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to add flair to your conversations. Putting on the dog is an idiom that means displaying wealth or opulence in a showy way, often to impress others. It's about going all out in terms of dress and appearance, or in any setting where extravagance is the key. Imagine someone dressing in their finest clothes, wearing extravagant jewelry, or hosting an overly lavish event. That's putting on the dog in action. The origins of putting on the dog are somewhat murky, but it's widely believed to have American roots from the late 19th century. One theory suggests that it came from the practice of wealthy individuals bringing their expensive, purebred dogs out in public as a status symbol. Another theory ties it to American colleges, where students would use the phrase to describe dressing up for formal occasions. Regardless of its exact origin, the phrase captures the essence of displaying luxury to assert one's social status. Incorporating putting on the dog into your everyday language can add a playful or critical tone, depending on the context. Here are a few examples. Describing someone's behavior: he really put on the dog for his birthday party, sparing no expense. Reflecting on one's own actions: I decided to put on the dog for the gala, wearing my most elegant dress. Critiquing societal norms: society often values putting on the dog at events, equating wealth with worth. While putting on the dog is primarily used in American English, the concept of showing off wealth is universal. Different cultures have their own expressions and attitudes toward this behavior. It's important to understand the context and audience when using idioms, especially those that touch on themes of wealth and class. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the idiom, putting on the dog, with us. Idioms like these enrich our language, offering a glimpse into cultural attitudes and history. Whether you're dressing to the nines or simply fascinated by the quirks of English, remember that language is a window into the soul of a culture. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.